Smoking. Excuse me, boss. What team you support? Hold that. You Chelsea. I ain't going to say the rest. I'll get done. Anyway, Bosh, have that. One of the worst games of football we've ever witnessed. It sent us to sleep. In fact, my live stream was better than the game. Standard procedure if you support Arsenal. However, you keep that blue flag flying high. Bless up to everyone who locks into the watch along. Got CB doing a fan cam after this. Kenny's at the game. Jez and Matty, emergency meeting. And then we're on to the Barca game later tonight on the other channel. Lee Reacts. Make sure you sub. Got a couple of Scouse dollies in the crowd. Go on, girls. Go on, girls. Anyway, bless up for 119,500. Make sure you are subbing. And yeah, like I said, plenty of content to come. But listen, real talk. If that's an advert for the Premier League, then it's worse than I thought it was. Because I keep telling everyone that this league's rubbish. And I get told, oh, you're a nostalgia merchant. Oh, you're a La Liga expert. Oh, you think you know everything about La Liga. La Liga's rubbish. Boom, boom, boom. Real talk. That was embarrassing what we witnessed there today. Embarrassing. Two of the best four teams currently in the Premier League by league position can't trap a ball, can't cross a ball, can't pass a ball, can't tackle, no IQ, underweighted passes, overweighted passes, yeah, falling over, diving, yeah, like mistimed tackles, misplaced passes. It was actually embarrassing. From what Chelsea were under Roman and what Arsenal were previously under Georgie Graham, gosh, who was at the game today, proper manager, and what this got served up. Yeah, we've gone from Didier Drogba and Thierry Henry to Pedro Neto and Mikel Merino. It's actually embarrassing. Yeah, and I genuinely don't see it turning around anytime soon. Yeah, goalkeeper can't even save the ball properly. It was straight at him from Cucurella. Your goalkeeper, Chelsea goalkeeper, I mean, what is he doing? What is he doing? Why does he make everything look so theatrical? Like simple saves, and he's like diving around like a weirdo, bruv. Like, what are we doing here? Like literally, it's embarrassing. Embarrassing. Yeah, you got players that can't shoot a ball properly. They can't strike a ball properly. Pillow foot, Odegaard again, stinker and hook. That guy is a scrub. Yeah, Declan Rice actually played all right. Timber played all right. Gabriel, I think, got man of the match. But the bar's low. It's extremely low. You got Mikel Merino scoring off a corner. The first corner we've scored for about 3 months. Like, other than that, we didn't look like scoring. Let's be real. Generally didn't look like scoring. And neither did you lot. That whole game was a snooze fest. I should have stayed on the beach. I had a banging roast dinner. And then watch that crap. And it's actually a chore to watch Arsenal. I can't lie. I just want to watch the 2 Madrid games that we play against them and just end the season, Dave. Yeah, it's pathetic. 2 ex-great clubs that had standards, that had proper players, that had mentality. They wanted to win. Yeah, now this lot are rolling around on the floor, diving, can't pass the ball 5 yards. You got Colwill doing baby giraffe twice in about 5 seconds. You got Martin Odegaard trying to swipe the ball away from Cucurella. They're totally missed. Air swipe. It's real talk. It's embarrassing. And people are going, yeah, but just be happy you won the game. You got Arsenal Twitter account posting out a big 3 points. Big 3 points for what? What are we doing here? Martinelli, stinker. Like real talk, Martinelli, stinker. You got Skelly. They're falling over every time he gets the ball. Throwing his leg out. Stop cheating, bruv. Yeah, real talk. Trossard, stop cheating. Diving. Got a free kick. It's right in front of the linesman. Literally right in front. Free kick. No, it weren't. He dived. What are we doing here? Could have had a penalty. Could have been a red card with Fofana's foul. Yeah, the standard of refereeing is shit. The standard of football is at an all-time low. I can't lie. It's an all-time low. It's actually shambolic what we're witnessing. That is supposed to be two of the big six, a team that dominated English football domestically and won Champions Leagues. And look at the state of it. And my club that have had these players. And now we're watching that. The fall from grace for both of our clubs is actually a joke. Yeah, and there's way too many fans that are gaslighting, yeah, and sitting there like hyping everything up. Oh, it takes time. No, it don't. Ajax are about to go 8 points clear. Your phase is Ian. How long's he had the job? Because last time I checked, I think he's had it less than 18 months, and they were one from bottom in that league. They're now about to go 8 points clear. What phase is Arnie slotting? He's in a cup final right now. 15 minutes gone against Newcastle. That should be Arsenal today. That should be Liverpool-Arsenal in that final today. But no, we don't want that dusty Carabao Cup, that energy drink cup. Yeah, raise the standards, people, honestly. Yeah, raise the bar. Yeah, because a trophy is a trophy. We did this with CB yesterday. A trophy is a trophy. That game today was just a pointless game. And another irrelevant 3 points that lead to nothing. Well done to Mikel Merino. Yeah, fantastic header. Don't quite know what all that defensive play was about off the corner. Cucurella weren't even looking at the ball. He's facing the opposite way. Right. The whole thing was a shit show. It was a clown show. You could put flipping clown music. Boom. Yeah, I'll put some Benny Hill music over it. Yeah, like honestly. Yeah, any Chelsea fans, yeah, right? They're accepting mediocrity right now because that is exactly what it is. That manager ain't it, by the way. That manager is not it. Yeah, so raise the bar, Chelsea. Real talk. Keep the blue flag flying high. Proper Chelsea. Yeah, Arsenal fans, we know the bar's low and it ain't going to change anytime soon because most of our fan base are clapped. But Chelsea, the PR is strong. Yeah, and it's going to go the same way as Arsenal unless you raise the bar. You can save your club. My club's done. Yeah, it's pathetic. Thank God there's an international break. Yeah, I can't wait. Genuinely cannot wait for this international break. As soon as I do this Madrid, Atleti, Barcelona game, after that, thank you very much. Yeah, because I'm absolutely sick to death of watching repetitive, robotic, system-based football in the Premier League. You could copy and paste that Arsenal and Chelsea game right there from Chelsea's last game or Arsenal's last game against United. You can copy and paste it. It's the same crap. We do the same thing every time. So did Chelsea. Under-hitting passes on through balls. Pedro Neto up front on his ones. Nobody helping him out. Enzo slapping one over the bar. Like Trossard trying to slap. Like, what are we doing? Martin Odegaard, P-roller, pillow foot. Yeah, I've had it up to here with this club, mate. Honestly. Yeah, it's so draining and tiresome. Yeah, and like, everyone's gassing this up. A big 3 points, Arsenal tweeted out. A big 3 points for what? What, to finish second again? LA. Corner FC again, LA. Yeah, we all know what's going to happen against Madrid. We all know that. Yeah. At least you lot have a chance to go and win that Conference League. And then our fans, even if you do win it, go, oh, well, it's only the Conference League. Yeah, this lot are immune from trophies. It's almost like they don't want to win. They want the journey, the story. It takes time, repping players and so on and so forth. Now, Chelsea, I see their fan base doing that as well. Not all of them. But the PR is very strong in English football. Yeah, hence why the gimmick keeps going. It takes time. Yeah. Rome weren't built in a day. Oh, but he's only young. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, raise the bar, people. Honestly, raise the bar because the bar is on its ass. Yeah, but it is what it is, isn't it? Yeah, another irrelevant win. Another game that I probably shouldn't have bothered doing. However, it is my job, so I have to turn up regardless. And sometimes you don't like going to work, do you? Well, today, that was one of them days. And unfortunately, I had to work. If I don't work, I don't get paid. So, and I've got bills to pay. So smash the likes up. I do appreciate you all. Do subscribe. Lee reacts as well. CB's up next. Yeah, Kenny's at the game. Hopefully he's took his sleeping bag with him. Yeah, his water bottle, hot water bottle, like, you know, bobble pillow. Like maybe we can borrow Martin Odegaard's left foot because it's a pillow. And yeah, we move on. Yay, heads up. On to Fulham next on April Fool's Day. And you are the fool. But anyway, Love, we're out. Cronky out. Everyone out. I'm tired, mate. It's done.